ROVs equipped with cameras and sonar map every inch of the Yamato. Small submersible robots scan the fractured hull, revealing the ship's design as an engineering testament.
Surface to dive team, confirm tension. Dive team to surface, confirmed, slack taken. Increasing buoyancy, report strain, understood. Gauge is spiking but holding. Copy, stabilizing now. Strain gauge 3 is spiking, check the threshold. It's at 18 holding, no breach yet. Command confirms, monitoring all channels. It's stabilizing, log the peak. Pausing, checking cables for shifts. Copy, hull looks stable from here. Cable tension is critical, risk of snap. Affirmative, monitoring buckles closely. Salvage team, report status. Safety first on this one.
Team 1, clamp secure. Ready for your mark.
Good work. Team 2, align the supports line.
Waiting final confirmation.
Confirmed. Let's bring it home. Starboard side clear, but port turret shifting slightly. Copy. Adjusting approach. Port side unstable. Signal if clear. Starboard confirmed, clear. Move in slow. Day 2, keep the pressure on!
Visibility dropping, switching to lamps.
Final push, make it count! Pumps deployed! Fire them up! Now! Close secured! Water's rising fast! Full throttle! Don't let up! Good, but faster! Time takes us! Alright, let's inspect this hull section. Ready. What's the first step? Taking readings now. Watch the display. It's showing 7.52 millimeters. Good, let's log it. Scanner calibrated. Mapping cracks on hull section A12. Copy. Model is populating. Depth readings are stable. Good. Resolving finer cracks. This data full 3D export ready for analysis. Note the faded markings on this shell casing.
Yes, the personal items are well preserved.
Let's document them before we check the interior compartments.
Agreed. Handle with care.
Let's confirm no ordnance traces on this deck section. Swab is negative for residue. Moving to interiors.
Readings are clear for radiation. Ready for asbestos.
Agreed. Proceed with the wall samples. Careful, it's fused. Slow twist. Copy. Stabilizer locked. Extracting. Hold steady. Clear. Securing now. Adjusting port and starboard tanks to zero the heel. Satellite shows heel at minus 0.5, trim at 0.3. Compensate. Copy. Levels converging. Confirmed. Angles at 0. Good work. Hold it steady. The swell's hitting hard. It's holding, but we need tension. Hold down. Yeah, that's 3. Good. Check the knots. Don't let up. Team, rotate for watches. Monitor leaks via hull sensors.
Roger that. Watch rotation initiated.
Leak threshold is holding steady.
Stay sharp. We can't afford oversights. Understood.
All stations are green.
Applying the neutralizer now. Good. Make sure it covers the pitted areas. It's fizzing. The salts are breaking down. Perfect. That's the preventive action we need. X-ray scan initiated, checking for subsurface flaws. Particles applied, surface crack should show. Readings are clear, no internal defects. Confirmed, surface is clean too. Good, patina is intact.
This piston is from the early model. Condition is good.
Right. I'll note that for the museum.
Good. Let's tag it now.
All right, lowering the zero-emission motors into place. Steady now, guiding it down. Perfect. These align with the new efficiency standards. Modernizing the line. These wires are shot. Let's get them out. Careful, they're brittle. Watch for shorts. Got it. Keep the compartment clear. Almost done. This will run smooth now. Okay, let's swap these out for fiber. Got the new cables. Ready. Good. Keep it neat in the tray. All right, pulling it up now. Looks good. Upgrade complete. Power is stable, starting GPS acquisition. Sonar rack is secure, moving to radar. Good. Check the radar interface. Calibrating now, signal is strong. Excellent, final checks. Bearings are prepped, applying grease now. Steady, keep it even on the trunnions. Good, that's the last one, clean up. Overhauling this turret gear now, precision is key. Now for the demonstration, watch the smooth rotation. See, perfect alignment, ready for reassembly. Careful now, these dummies go in precise. That's it, locked in place. Swapping the sensor in the HVAC unit. Next, integrating this into the water purifier. Now, extending the system to the quarters. Final checks complete, functionality extended. Mounting the new touchscreens next to the old dials. A bridge between eras, preserving the past while embracing the future. All systems online. All crew, board now. Systems are coming online.
Copy that. Moving to stations.
Engines humming, pre-checks complete.
Testing tone commencing.
Applying load. Watch the torque. Load at 75%. Holding steady. Torque's peaking. Efficiency is good. Readings confirm. We're in spec. Good. Reset and log it. All hands, muster for lifeboat drill. Check your stations.
Station 1, clear! Station 2, ready!
Release the gripes. Winch team, prepare to lower.
Gripes release! Winch engaged, lowering now!
Fire system test initiated. Pressurizing now. Hull scan active. Pressure rising to 2500 psi. Deck scan complete. No breaches detected. All systems green. Pressure holding steady.